Hello everyone, I am Bishakha Dewan. Today I am presenting an important topic, mechanism of size reduction. Mainly, solids are broken in four different ways: by compression, impact, attrition and cutting mechanism. Here we can see the schematic diagram of compression, impact, attrition and cutting mechanism. Now, compression. In this method, the material is crushed between the rollers by application of pressure. Mainly, compression is the main mode for coarse reduction, giving off only few fines. Roller mill crushing mills are the example of compression mechanism. A roller mill runs in compression mechanism. Now we can discussing about the roller mill. Roller mills accomplish size reduction through a combination of forces and design features. If the rolls rotate at the same speed, compression is the primary force used. Here, slower operating speeds do not generate heat and there is very little moisture loss. Particles produced tend to be uniform in size, that is, very little fine material is generated. For similar size particles, bulk density of material ground on a roller mill will be about 5 to 15% less than material ground by a hammer mill. Here we can see a picture of roller mill. In this roller mill, a delivery device present to supply a constant and uniform amount of the material to be ground, and a pair of rolls we can see, which is mounted horizontally in a rigid frame, and one roll is fixed in position and the other can be moved closer to or further from the fixed roll. The rolls counter rotate either at the same speed or one may rotate faster. Roll surface may be smooth or have various grooves. Pairs of rolls may be placed on top of one another in a frame. Now, impact mechanism. This is the breaking up of material when it is hit by an object moving at high speed. The product is coarse to fine. Hammer mill is an example of impact mechanism because it runs on impact mechanism. Now, we can discuss about hammer mill. Hammer mill is the most widely used grinding mill and among the oldest. Hammer mills consist of a series of hammers, usually 4 or more, hinged on a central shaft and enclosed within a rigid metal case. It produces size reduction by impact mechanism. The materials to be milled are struck by these rectangular pitches of hardened steel, ganged hammer, which rotates at high speed inside the chamber. These radically swinging hammers from the rotating central shaft move at a high angular velocity, causing brittle fracture of the feed material. Here we can see the picture of hammer mill. Hammer mill crush materials into two stages: size reduction, which occurs by dynamic impact, and sizing, which occurs by attrition and shear in the second zone, where small clearance exists between the hammer and the screen bar, producing a particle range of 15 to 50 micrometer. We can see the series of hammers here. Now, attrition mechanism. In attrition, the material is subjected to pressure as in compression, but the surfaces are moving relative to each other, resulting in shear forces which break the particles. Disc attrition mills works by attrition mechanism. Disc attrition mills. This type of mills make use of shear forces for size reduction, mainly in the fine size range of particles. There are several basic designs of attrition mills. The single disc mill has a high-speed rotating grooved disc, leaving a narrow gap with its fixed casing. We can see disc attrition mill with single disc. Now, cutting mechanism. The material is cut by means of a sharp blade or blades. Rotary knife cutter mills runs by cutting mechanism. Here we discussing about rotary knife cutter. Rotary knife cutter is suitable to shear and crush the limber and elastic materials such as rubber and plastic. Rotary knife cutter features a rotor assembly equipped with 5 full-length knives that cut material against 4 stationary bed knives until particles become small enough to pass through apertures in a large semi-cylindrical screen. Rotary knife cutter offers greater shear and less impact, yielding particles having exceptionally clean cuts in tightly controlled size range with little or no fines or dust. Here we can see a rotating edge, fixed edge screen presenting in rotary knife cutter. Thank you. This is all of my presentation.